What's up, guys? For today's video, we're gonna be cutting a muffler off my 2012 Tahoe Suburban LT. I don't know where to cut it at. Let's give it to the master. He's good at doing this.
You need glasses?
Bruh, look at this dude.
Dawg. It has the clip still on.
She's cut.
It has the holders.
Ah, she's cut.
Now we gotta take these off.
Wait, we gonna have to cut it again, because how am I gonna get the lights? You gotta get into it. You get it? Another muffler too? Dang, it was real quiet.